Mostra tudo que cê sabe que o Livinho vai te olhar. Pode.
First I'm using primer on my T-zone area, and then I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me foundation and blending through a downwards. And concealer is from a NY Bay. I'm concealing my under eye and just blend. Now I'm contouring my face over my nose, chin and forehead and just blend in a downwards. Applying a blush and just blend. Now the main part of Latina makeup is a eyebrow. They have so well sharp defined eyebrows, so I'm doing my eyebrows same as well as. For eye makeup I'm using this palette, taking a light brown shade for a base and now applying this darker brown shade on my outer corner. And here I'm using a Blue Heaven eyeliner. And now a mascara. I'm using a Blue Heaven mascara. Applying on my eyelids. For lipstick, I'm taking a brown lip liner, a nude shade lipstick. And last, now I'm highlighting my face over my cheeks, nose.
Sabe que o Livinho vai te olhar. Pode sentar. Pode sentar. Pode